for our guided meditation. This is our every Friday morning guided meditation with Reiki. So get settled into the mat now. Place a bolster behind your knees and a pillow and a blanket if you're cold. All right, so let's get started. I have someone in my studio, so I'm going to be wearing a mask. I apologize if you can't see my face. Just go ahead and lay down and relax and just listen to my voice as I move into a nice guided meditation. All right. Let's take a couple of deep breaths as you lay down, closing your eyes. Get settled into the mat. And we are going to move into progressive muscle relaxation. Let's begin with our toes. Begin to point and flex the toes. Point and flex. Take a deep breath. Exhale, relax, and let go. Now bring the awareness to the lower legs, knees, and thighs. Squeeze those muscles tight. Take a deep breath. Exhale, let it go. Now bring the awareness to the hips, glutes. Squeeze the muscles around the hips. Take a deep breath. Exhale, let it go. Now bring the awareness to the breath in the abdomen. Take a deep inhale. Hold that breath in the belly. Now open the mouth. Big sigh. Let it go. Now take that breath and bring it up into the chest and rib cage. Hold. Big sigh. Let it go. Now take a deeper breath. Belly, chest, rib cage. Hold. Big sigh, let it go. Now I want you to take the deepest breath from the belly, chest, rib cage, all the way up to the clavicle or collarbone. Hold. Big sigh, let it go. Bring the awareness to the hands. Lift them up 2 inches off the floor. Squeeze, make a tight, tight fist. Inhale, stretch those fingers out. Exhale, release, and let go. And now just bring the awareness to any tension in the shoulders. Lift the shoulders up off the mat towards the ears. Deep breath. Exhale, let it go. Now bring the awareness to your facial muscles. Squeeze and squint the face tight. Now stretch the face, open the mouth, stick out the tongue, release and let go. Let go of the lower jaw from the upper jaw. Relax the lips, the cheeks, the nose. Relax the eyes, the forehead, and the scalp. Begin to scan the body from head to toe for any remaining pockets of tension. Bring your consciousness to that space, whether it's a joint, a muscle, or even just your mental space filled with chatter and clutter. Bring your awareness there. Take a deep inhalation. And now as you exhale, consciously letting go of that tension. Breathe in relaxation. Exhale out the tension. Focus on breathing in positive energy and releasing out all negativity, negative thoughts, negative emotions, energies that no longer serve for your highest good, energy that only serves to harm your body. So let's bring it back into balance. Focusing on your thoughts, if they stream in, just witness them as that. Electrochemical reactions, nerve impulses. They are not who you truly are. So remove yourself out of the thoughts and see yourself as a witness to these thoughts and watch them float away one by one. Just like the clouds in the sky, release them. Do not engage with your thoughts. Fear-based thinking, worries, to-do lists, clear it all out. Come back into the balance of nature, back into homeostasis, harmony, synchrony, which then reconnects you to your true self, your peaceful self, the spark of the Creator within you, the light of your soul. Connect with that. This is who you truly are. Once you peel away the layers that create the tension, the physical body and physical tension, let it go. The breath and its emotions, release. The mind and all of its chatter, witness and let go. Once all these layers are peeled away, you get down to your core self, your soul. See the light of your soul emanating like an exploding star, spreading out across all four chambers of the heart, across the lungs, across the shoulders, arms and forearms, wrists, palms, and fingertips. See that light energy ascend up like an electrical impulse, lighting up the brain cells, the neurons, bringing all back into balance. And as those neurons fire to all the tissue and cells and organs, the light spreads down from the brain to the spinal cord, the cranial nerves, spinal nerves, reaching every single cell in the body until the arms, the chest, the abdomen, the pelvis, and the lower extremity are simply filled with this light, the light of the Creator within you, the soul. And as we take our soul journey, today's journey is all about what is your true nature. before we journey into this inquiry and meditation, we call upon our guides. Whatever resonates with your belief system, but across all belief systems, we call upon the angels, the archangels, protect and guide and heal, rebalance body, mind, and soul. You can call upon ancestors, you can call upon the Creator. To the north, Archangel Uriel, connecting us with the earth. Allow the earth to support you now in relaxation. To the east, Archangel Raphael, the healing angel. Allow yourself to be supported, healing body, mind, and soul. Welcome, Archangel Uriel and Raphael. To the south, Archangel Michael, the protector, and with your sword, cut the energetic cords that bind us. Unbind the discordant energies that link us to energies that no longer serve for our highest good. Anger, pain, frustration, fear-based thinking. Places, people, and situations that are not good for us. Cut the cords with your sword and reconnect us to the Creator. Welcome, Michael. And to the west, Archangel Gabriel, reconnect us to the Creator. Give us the intuitive messages. Give us the downloads that we need to know the path moving forward that is for our highest good. We call upon the Creator in all your names and forms of all belief systems. We call upon all the prophets that came forth in the past, all the way back from Krishna to Buddha to Jesus, the master healer. May we emulate forgiveness and healing. We call upon the Holy Spirit, the Trinity. We call upon the feminine element, Sophia. We call upon the feminine energy, the Mother of God, Theotokos, Mother Mary. And I honor and venerate the teachers that came before me, the Father of Reiki for energy healing, Master Mikao Usui. We call upon all who are here at this moment to heal, balance, and protect our energies. May it be so, and so it is. The reading is from Max Heistein, The Healing Waterfall. Allow your angels to surround you and protect you as we move into this guided meditation. Take a slow, deep breath now. Let go of any tension. Feel yourself sinking into the surface that you are resting on, becoming still more comfortable and relaxed. Take another slow, deep breath and release your thoughts, letting them drift far, far away. Take another slow, deep breath and know that this is the moment and all is well. In this moment of time, all is well. Bring your awareness to your heart center now. At the center of the chest, notice a certain tenderness. Notice a softness there. Imagine all the energy that you have sent out into the world lately, coming slowly and gently back to your heart. Like the last piece of a puzzle, making you feel more whole and complete. Follow your breathing in and out, in and out. Relax and settle still more into that breath. Get into the rhythm. This breathing connects you to life. It is a rhythm. Take a few moments now to connect to the rhythm of that breath. Imagine now that you are walking through an ancient forest full of tall oak trees on a warm, sunny morning. It is quite peaceful here, and you have come to connect with nature and reflect your own true nature. The air carries the comforting scene and scent of last night's rain. You notice the leaves still wet and the quiet presence of the trees envelop you in relaxation, making you feel watched over and protected. The trees are a canopy of protection. The soft earth cushions your steps, and the path is paved with a thick layer of oak leaves, acorn husks from years past. Scattered here and there, mushrooms, bright flower poke their way through. Squirrels are busy scurrying up and down the rough tree bark. Blue jays are broadcasting their songs from the canopy high above. Take a few moments now to enjoy being there. Walk along the path. Enjoy the scenery and follow your breathing. Soon you come upon a clearing with tall meadow grass, a scattering of rocks, and a few fallen trees. One of the fallen trees offers a place to rest as you view the meadow. You walk towards the log, and here's where you sit. It is covered with patches and bordered by purple flowers, patches of greenery, crumbling silver bark on the ground. A tiny chipmunk peeks at you from behind the log and then goes back into hiding. Nature is quiet here. Although very much alive, it inspires a feeling of peaceful enchantment. Take a while to enjoy this feeling as you follow your breath and go deeper. Looking up now, you notice a large butterfly. Your gaze follows as it flutters its way across the meadow, sampling the flowers from one spot and to another. Finally, it comes to rest near you on the log and waits as if expecting you to respond in some way. Settle down into your heart as you prepare to consider now the following question. The question is this: what is my true nature? Sit with this question for some time. Try not to analyze or think, and organically allow the answers to unfold from deep within. Ask the Creator and the Archangels to download into your brain these messages so you may discover your true self. What is your true nature? Listen deeply and receive. So as you do this contemplative meditation, I will send distance energy healing through Holy Fire Reiki and to all who are attending here in person. Continue to focus on the burning question: what is your true nature?
Has come time to thank the archangels and your guides for the intuitive messages that you received. Hopefully the resonate energy that you received, pulsating energy out, healing and balancing all parts, body, mind, soul, and spirit through energy healing. And the burning question of what is your true self? Who are you? What is your true nature? And as our last part of our practice, we will pull the Oracle cards by Kyle Gray, the Angel Guide Oracle Guidebook. Messages from the Creator. Let's see what message is set forth today and see if it resonates with you at this time. So the image is that of an angel, harmony, and resolution. So let's read the extended message of harmony and resolution. Angels of harmony and healing are with you to help you resolve any conflicts that have been disturbing your inner peace
You are being encouraged to call in the light of God and surrender any concerns you have so that the divine can resolve them for you. Your angel guide is suggesting you release any need to be right or to get your point across, for this can only lead and create to more hostility. This is a time to focus on your own inner peace. Dedicate time and energy doing what you can to make yourself feel comforted and comfortable. Through being more caring toward yourself, you will create harmonious energy that will wash out like a wave to all those that surround you. Trust that this will happen and harmony will be restored. I do hope you enjoyed this practice today and hope that you join me again next week. Thank you for attending. See you next time.